sound recorder in ActivInspire is perfect for capturing audio from your lessons. You can insert these recordings to your flip chart, save them to your device, or both. To access the sound recorder, you can use the Tools icon from your main toolbox, or go to Tools, More Tools, Sound Recorder. When you are ready to begin recording, click the Record button. In this instance, I could say the names of the notes, the mnemonic device, and even sing or play the notes too. Every good boy does fine. E, G, B, D, F. You can pause and resume at any time. To end the recording, click the Stop button. The recording is saved as a WAV file, and the sound file icon appears on your flip chart page. You can play the file at any time by clicking on the audio icon. Or in design mode, you can manipulate it like any other object by selecting it. To change your settings and save the recordings to your device, or to have the option to do both, go to File, Settings, and select Recordings. From the drop-down menu, choose Save to Disk, or both. Click Done to apply changes. The next time you record something, upon completion you will be prompted to choose a location to save your sound file. If you modified settings to both, this sound file will still also appear in your flip chart.